Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a Twitter space and invite guests. So if you're wondering how to do so, you may basically follow up these steps for that. You may start by opening up the X application on your mobile device for that. And then once you open up your X app, this is the following interface you should be finding. You can directly tap and hold a floating button, the compose button at the bottom right corner. And once you hold it up like this, you should be finding four different options: post, photos, spaces, go live, etc. So select the spaces option here, which should look like a microphone or multiple concentric circles from the menu that appears. Tap on it, and you just need to tap on got it. And once you do so, you may start creating up your space. Now you can name your space like with a descriptive and attention grabbing title up to 70 characters. You can just go over and do so. For example, I would like to talk about mental health, let's say. So you can just go over and type in that. And once you do so, what you may do is you can add in topics as well. So we have add topics, which you can use to improve the discoverability of your space for relevant audiences. You can select it and you can add topics here. There are many popular topics. For example, let's say that is for, if it is for fitness, you can select that and you can tap on save. And once it is done, you can even record the space. You can select this option of toggle to record the space. And even if you want to make it incognito, you can turn that option on there. And to go live immediately, you can tap on start your space and your microphone will be muted by default. So remember to unmute yourself when you're ready to speak. And you can invite others in several ways. You can share it via post, direct messages, copy the link, and then that is how you do it. So usually this is how you do it. You may follow up the steps for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.